Okay guys, mount your camera, the tripod, use landscape mode. Then after that, now you walk in. Look at me there. All right, just walk in, target the center of the road. Make sure no car is coming when you are doing this. All right, so you make your move, and then at the point you can just fall down. All right, just make sure you record your video well. After that, you can now walk out. Okay,
save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. All right, at this point click on CapCut, new project. Now you want to import your video to workspace. Okay, so import your video. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it. Let us silence the volume. So at this point now, locate where you want your video to start from. All right, look at you there. Before you throw your first leg, all right, we are going to be clicking it to make a split. So click here, make a split, delete the first part. We don't need it again. So at this point you come back. The moment you fall down, before you fall down, you want to come and click on overlay. Look at this point now. Then come back, click on overlay here now. Click on overlay. Click on overlay, guys. Add overlay. Then you want to import this green screen here. Import it. This is the car crash green screen. All right, so at this point guys, if you need this car crash green screen, DM me, then I will send it to you. And at this point, tell us your view, tell us your take, tell us what you feel, what you think about this video that you have just watched. All right, and just in case you have a CapCut magic tricks or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love the video you just watched and you like what you are doing, go and smash your like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point, you want to click on the car crash layer. Click on it now. Then you go and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG. Chroma key, you want to drag it, mark on that good now. Then you want to go back, click on it again and go and look for adjust. Guys, locate adjust. Okay, click on adjust now. Look for HSL. Click on HSL, look at it there. Work on this grid, do saturation to minus 100%. You mark on this grid, then you go back. So at this point is the time to do the necessary adjustment. Use your two thumbs and then expound that car. Then you position it, time it to the point before you fell down so that it will look professional, it will look okay. So this place depends on you, depends on what you want. All right, you can see my own. All right, I will do my necessary adjustment now so that I will get what I want. All right, look at it. It has crashed the car, but my standing up here was too fast. All right, I just want to click on the main layer now. All right, that is after I reduce this volume, I'll be clicking on the main layer, the first layer, which is the main video. I want to freeze it. That is this point where I fell down. I feel my standing up was too fast. Then I will go and look for freeze. Then I am going to freeze it. All right, that is, this place depends on you. It is your choice. The main thing is that I've shown you how to create this car crash magic effect, how to create this kind of video. So recording your video now depends on you, how you want it to be, what you want to make people believe. I want to duplicate this green screen. That is why I look for duplicate. Now as I click it, I go and look for duplicate because I felt it's too short as well. Then I click on duplicate now. Then I will crop it to the point where that car have landed, where that car have relaxed on the ground. Then I will now click it and make it align with this one. That is after I finish adjusting it, click it, make it align with this one. All right. So at this point, what I am going to be doing is to cut out the unwanted parts out of this video. All right, look at it there. Then you will still remain on the ground for some time. Then you stand up. Then here now, click on this place. Then you make a split. You click on the green screen as well. Then you are going to be making a split as well. Then delete this. Click on this one and delete it. So at this point, I believe you have learned something. Okay, you can do this at the comfort of your home. But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here to add your sound effect, your light effect. Then you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. All right. Then after that, the next thing we are going to be doing here now is to export this video to our gallery. All right, so you are going to be clicking on export now. You allow it to export. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but at this point, guys, tell us your take. What do you think? What do you make up of this video? Is there anything you feel that we should have added or we should have removed? So drop your comment at the comment section. And just in case you have a CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, still drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell, just click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.